I'll be giving my youngest son this Kawasaki Vulcan once he gets his license, so I decided to install some crash bars just as a precaution. I ordered some off of Amazon, and here's just a quick unboxing of how they were shipped. Although some engine guards are one solid piece, this one comes in two parts that connect to each other and attach to the frame. There's also this bag that has all the little parts in it, like the U-shaped brackets, the metal piece used to connect the bars, and the bolts and washers. The box didn't come with any kind of manual included, but if you take a look at the pictures on the Amazon listing, it's not too hard to figure things out.
This one, like this. Right.
You can see here that the brackets attach pretty easily to the top of the engine guards.
So I think this one is going here, like that.
Once they were together, I just slid the bracket onto the frame. Since there was still the other half to put on, I tightened it just enough to keep it in place.
And like this.
Once that was done, I went over to the right side to connect the two halves together and attach the other bracket. For some reason, there was a gap left over when I joined the two bars in the middle. The listing on Amazon claimed this engine guard was for the Vulcan, but I suspect it's more of a generic universal fit product.
Like that. Okay.
After I attached the second bracket, I undid this bolt underneath the footrest in order to secure on the bottom part of the crash bar. Here it is on the left side, just removing the bolt under the footrest and threading it back on. Once that was done, I fully tightened all the bolts, both top and bottom.
So this is what it's gonna look like.
Unfortunately, there was still this gap where the two bars meet, but I tugged on it and the engine guard seems like it'll stay put for the time being. Here's how it all looks once everything's done. I personally don't think it looks great, but the bike is now ready for practice, and hopefully it'll keep both my son and the bike a little safer. That should make practice a little less stressful and also give me a little peace of mind.